Well, we're coming into mid-January, and February is when the chickens and various birds start laying again, usually. And so I'm going to work on getting the various houses cleaned up and shuffle some birds into the coops and lock them up so I can see who's laying. So it'll go through quite a bit more feed. They won't be out scavenging for bugs and whatnot, but we'll get them all separated and used to laying in their different nests and whatnot, so I can keep track of them from here on out. So we're off to do that.